maximize the performance of your Cummins engine? Have you upgraded your truck but you aren't getting the ultimate performance you hope for? Well, one way to maximize the efficiency of an internal combustion engine, like a Cummins diesel, is to minimize flow restrictions. I'll show you how to do that, and with style. Stay tuned. Maximizing efficiency of high-performance engines requires a smooth flow of air supply to the cylinder head. Typically, when upgrading a Cummins turbo diesel engine, the factor intake horn, grid heater, and plate become a restriction to this flow. This robs horsepower and increases incoming air temperature to the cylinder head. By comparison, the BD Competition Series intakes removes the flow restriction of the grid heater and grid plate. This allows an increase of flow rate for high-performance Cummins engines. Other upgraded intake systems may remove the grid heater, but the BD Competition Series intake also removes the grid plate, allowing for clear flow to the cylinder head while giving that performance inline 6 appearance. All right, why don't we take a look at the two differences here between the stock one and the BD Competition Series. As you can see, there's a substantial area difference between this little feed area to the cylinder head and this entire feed area to the cylinder head. The OEM intake covers only a small area of about 9 square inches. By removing the grid plate and attaching the intake directly to the cylinder head, the BD Competition intake feeds 40 square inches. This helps distribute flow across the cylinder head, reducing system back pressure, and increases flow volume capabilities by nearly 3 times over the OEM intake. Finally, allow your Cummins to achieve its maximum potential, increasing the efficiency of your diesel. Stop restricting flow and start allowing performance with the new BD Competition Series intake from BD Diesel Performance. For more information, check out our website at bddiesel.com.